This video shows you how to tidy up the legend in your ArcGIS map. So we'll just start off by logging in. What you'll find is that a lot of maps have a whole lot of decimal places and really clunky looking classifications for each category. So we'll just look at Urban Heat Island as an example. Here's one here that we can use. Looks great. Open it up. And you can see that some of these things have been hidden away, which is good. Seems to be 2 copies of that. It's not too much of a problem. What we're going to do is just open up the style and change the style. You can see we've got all these various classes in here, which are pretty ugly when you have to show your legends. So if we go into options, you can select a range of these which is the same from the bottom to the top of all the values that you have in here. You edit them just like that. So in this case it's going to be 22.02, 22.4. And next one is going to be 22.5 to 22.9. Get rid of that. And so on. And you can see that that's tidying itself up down here. After you go through that process, then you can save it. You're going to end up with a map that has these ranges instead, nice and tidy, and then in here you'll be able to see the gradation in here, but the values are more meaningful than what they were before. Should you want to add in our sites that we look at, then you can zoom in. If you don't have a GPS location, then you can still add some map notes. In this case, we're going to call it, we'll call it by the name of the place. So let's say Yamate. Spelled perfectly. Create that. And you can put a push pin or stick pin in there if you want. Let's go for that. Locate it where it should be, click it, close. You can move it around a little bit. We can change the background if that writing's getting in the way, and you can label it with a text. So I'm just going to go into here and call it Yamate. Still struggling with capitals. And then I can change the font. I can save that, and that's ready to go. Maybe put the other ones in as well too. If you wanted to put a value in instead, you could put the value of the average heat for that location as an additional piece of text, or instead of that text. It's up to you. Okay, when you're done, just save it. And you have a heat map that has the right range in it. You can print that off according to the map with legend. You can see that this is tidy in here now. Takes a while to load because there's a lot of data. And there's your map there, ready to go.